Side hustle survivalist here, ladies and gentlemen. I got a good one for you today, a good side hustle. But before we get started, hit that like and subscribe button, please, and hit that share button. Don't know why, they tell me I need to say that every time, because I'm with the algorithms with YouTube. But anyway, we're getting this word out here. Folks, it is hot. And you can see behind me, I just got done putting up the hay and got it out here, but you're probably wondering why I have this in a U shape. So if you go back to one of my videos that went viral on the chicken tractor deal, so during the winter, this opening is facing south. So if we have a big windstorm or winter storm, that's what I'm trying to say, come in, then I can just wheel the chickens into this U shape with my hay bales and it protects them, as long as I don't use all my hay bales up feeding the cattle. Anyway, on the point, that's not my side hustle day. I just want to let you know where I'm sitting here. And why? Because it is 106 degrees out right now, and it's making this old bald man sweat. Oh, hey, by the way, you know, here's something for you. You know those guys who go bald in the front? They say they're great thinkers. Those guys who go bald in the back, they're supposed to be great lovers. Those of us who go bald all the way through, well, we just think we're great lovers. That's my bit of humor today from the Side Hustle Survivalist. Let's get back at it. So the reason I'm out here sitting in the sun is because I would love to go jump in the swimming pool. Now, my swimming pool is my farm pond, and I'm probably gonna go down there and jump in that here in a little bit, seeing that's between 103, 106 degrees out right now. But I got my notes, and I wanna tell you about a side hustle because I thought of it talking about the swimming pools, while I was thinking about the swimming pools. Anyone who has ever had the pool, if you have a pool, then you know the hassles of keeping it clean. Now, I'm talking about for your small towns, and I'm talking about your rural. Now, inside your big cities, yes, there's pool cleaners, all those people like that. But what about out in the country? You know, the people have the pop-up pools that they just go jump in, or out into your very small towns. You know, your couple hundred people small towns, you drive through those, you see pools up all the time, those kind they get from Walmart or Lowe's or wherever, and they stick up. Well, here's the side hustle. So why not start a small town pool service? How about that? Just you get your in your vehicle and you picked up, and because the other thing is stock tanks. Believe it or not, stock tanks are becoming very popular as swimming pools. Now, I had one growing up from the 60s, 70s, 80s, the whole time. That's all the swimming pool we had. We just roll the stock tank into the yard, fill it up. And most of your people out in the rural farmlands and area, that's what they do, besides the pop-up pools, okay? They're outrageously popular. So if you do 10 hours, if you go and do 10 pools, 2 to 3 hours a day, you charge them $40 a week, maybe to just stop by, or 50 bucks a week, or even $100 a week. You set the price, but you get 4 or 5 of those, and this is something that you can do after hours. You have your 9 to 5, you do it, you could go do it before, or you could do it after hours, or you could do it on the weekends. So here's what you do, you know, say, hey, I'll clean the filters, change the filters, scrub the ring, sump the skimmer, vac up the leaves, make sure that if they have an underwater pool Roomba or robot, make sure that's charged up and running. And you could easily make, you know, figure it out, that's 27 to 30 bucks an hour on the side. Do something like that. Filling the pool up with water. That's just something that you help those people out. What I would do, I would go talk to a pool cleaning business in a big city and just ask them what they do. These are just some ideas that I've seen on TV or anything, because I've never cleaned pools or been around that, and because we just had to clean them ourselves. But if I had one, I'd look at hiring somebody if they came by, you know, during the week and they cleaned everything and did that. But that would be great. I'd pay them 40 bucks a week to come out just once a week, and then maybe a little bit more if they had to come out twice a week. It all depends. But just another side hustle, people, to try to think of. Go and start a small town pool cleaning business. It's up to you. You can go out there and crush it. So again, I want to shout out to the Shielded Prepper to help you get spiritually prepared. Shout out to the Financial Prepper to also go his channel. He goes through a lot of stuff to get you financially prepared and about what's coming on in the economy. Hey, another guy you need to check out, Grounded Beef. Grounded Dash Beef out of New York. Now, his whole channel is Ask a Farmer. So I want to shout out to him. He's got an Airbnb project going on that y'all watch on his channel. It's going really good. And he talks about farm animals and anything. And he's a farmer. So go check him out. He's a great guy. He's part of the Ninja Nation. And God bless everybody. That was it. Take care.